All right, guys, just a quick little DIY video for you do-it-yourselfers. We're servicing this Westerbeke generator. We're changing the oil in it, and then we found that we have a bad impeller also, so that's what I'm doing this morning. All right, guys, good morning. Captain Paul here, and today we're in Toledo, Marina Beach and Safe Harbor, and we're getting this 4788 Bayliner ready to go, and we were changing the oil. So we put a new oil filter on, we put new oil in, and then we checked the impeller, and this is what I found. Now, we did have the generator started to heat the oil up, and then I noticed this, and it shut off. So then I just put my hand on back of the impeller and then checked it. But now what I gotta do is I'm going through and I'm pulling all the hoses off because I have blockage in the impeller. So right here, I'm having to open, this is my impeller right here, and then this is where that hose came off, and it goes down into that cooler right there. So I'm gonna have to pull the cap off that cooler, and I gotta make sure that I have all of these little particles, because especially on this small little generator right here, there's not much space, and the slightest, you get 2 or 3 of these in there blocking water flow, that'll overheat the generator. So we just want to have a good, safe trip. We want the generator running properly, so we'll take the time. And the reason I'm doing this little video too is because last time I did one of these, we were able to pull a whole impeller out and we didn't have to do this. But this time we're having to chase parts. And so we'll keep chasing them until we don't see any more of these little particles right here. So just a quick video right here. I'm on the 4788 with Mike and Pam, and we should get this boat going in the next, hopefully today. You can see right here the oil change. We pulled the old oil out of the generator, and so we're getting close to taking off. All right, guys, make sure you hit that like, make sure you hit that subscribe. Can't wait to get this trip going. Can't wait to share it with you guys. We're on beautiful Lake Michigan. It's one of my favorite lakes to boat, and me and Mike and Pam are working our butts off to try and get the boat ready for departure, which should be hopefully we're going to get it ready today and we leave tomorrow morning, but if not, definitely the next day, because we're very close. Anyway, peace out. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe, share it with your friends, and thank you so much for watching. Truly appreciate it. Bye.